Welcome back. Well, I need to find where I've placed the fertilizer spreader. There it is. And we'll get into this tractor right here. Oops, don't disappear on me. And we'll go and fertilize our grass field. After all, we are going to be in need. We even have some fertilizer in there. What do you know? Oh, I don't think I'll be able to fertilize it. I don't think it's gone to... Why hasn't it germinated? Nope. That's strange. Why hasn't it germinated yet to the first level? Let's have a look. Okay, so we got all our fields. So what I'll do is, did I not go into the next... Let's go into the next month. Okay, did I... This was that quick? It cannot be. No. I don't think it actually went anywhere. I think it just slept for 1 minute. Currently is impossible. Well, that's nice. Why am I in 0.5 time frame? Alright, let's go this way. Okay, and while I'm doing that, let's go have a look at our sheep and see what our sheep are doing. While we're part of grain. So it is funny because the spinnery I could walk into. I didn't even look. Do I have any wool in today? I have some wool, yes. How are they doing for food? Well, they're okay for food. Food, water's fine. Let's go give them just this bit. Are they gonna take it or not? Okay, so we've got not a lot of grass left. And oh, we got snow. Okay, let's get out of here like this and give our sheep some water. I haven't even looked to see if our fabric has been passed on to our cloth production. Right, so we're giving them some water. Okay, let's go back and just put it on our normal time. Okay, I was gonna go and get some more water, but you know what? We'll just leave it here for now. Look at that. I'll park you right here. Has our grass? No, it has not. Can I sleep now or still not gonna let me sleep? Oh, now it's gonna let me sleep, so that's fantastic. Okay, now let's go have a look. Yes, we can. Beautiful. I probably could have just put it on, get our, let's go a bit closer to the edge. Put it on coarse split, but you know what? It looks like it does not want to fertilize all the way to the edge. Maybe I don't have access to all of that, and that's why it does not want to fertilize it. But you know what? I kind of just went all... Well, it's not really... I'm not really going as good as I wanted to go, am I? Kind of missing a bit of the edges here and there. Oh, you're kidding me. Not doing very good, am I? Missing quite a lot. Quite a lot. But that's okay. It's just not working the way I wanted it to work. That's my fault for not setting it up first. So we definitely need to be up on our grass production. Because I'm kind of missing out on quite a bit of grass. Pretty soon my sheep are going to have no food. If they don't have no food, I'm not going to have any fabric or wool to make fabric, and then no fabric, no clothes. So kind of I just want to see if yeah, I can do that. Trying to remember where else I've left it kind of undone, and it looks like we got a bit of a patch over here. Bit of a patch over here. And bit of a patch over here, and we're fertilizing the water, which is a big no-no. It does not want to fertilize that bit, which is fine. We'll fertilize the water again. Which, like I said, I realized that in real life this would be humongous no-no because you'd be killing all the fishes. Okay, so fertilizing done. Plenty of rain. So what I'll do is I'll go and check now. I'll go and check now on how we're going as far as getting our okay. Oh, come on. Getting our production for clothing. What is going on? Oh no. Why can't I? So it must be that the clothing. Okay, that's very strange. Okay. Okay, so what's my production like? Oh, where are we? Close. Okay, so it really doesn't have any fabric. It hasn't really distributed anything. We'll change it to spawning. Actually, you know what? Change it to storing for now. And we'll change it to storing for now. Because looks like this is going to give me a bit of trouble. A trigger. So I want to see. I wanted to see if where are we? Production. I want to see if I just do. No. Yes. I want to see if I just do this by itself. If it still has the same problem. And what was the other one? Furniture, wasn't it? So this is my furniture. Yep. Yep. So these are the culprits. So, okay. I just lost $10,000 between the two of them. Obviously, I will be adding that money back. Okay, so I'm gonna have to... Did I take $10,000 away? I think I just took $10,000 away. Now I will be checking this, and if I made a mistake and that's not, I will obviously get rid of that money that I've just added. Okay, so how much if we go at production? Oh, what do I need? Oh, something to do with... No, definitely not. I mean, I could do that. Oh, no, definitely not. Tailor shop, 100 grand. I don't have the 100,000. Alright, so fast forward the time a little bit. Let's clean up the screen to give us a bit more freedom as far as the weather is concerned. I'm gonna do my best to try and build ourselves another field over here. Now I'm going to try my best to try and avoid going away from the fields that I own, or the land that I own, and stick to just what I own as far as the land is concerned. I'm gonna have to bring that up so I can kind of get an idea of what I actually own and what I don't own. Now I know that I can come up to somewhere around here and not have any issues yet. Now, I'm gonna stop you there. So I have to come to about there. I do apologize, I'm going to have to get rid of that tree now. I just went too close to it. Okay. But what I want to do first is do the auto width. Escape. And kind of stick to that line. Now, I'm not quite sure how far I can go, but I think that's about the size of it from memory. Yep, that's about the size of it. Oh, what did I do? And of course, why aren't you working now? Now let's have a look where I am kind of. Yep, I'm kind of doing all right. Just have to stick to anything above that tree line. It should be okay. Just above the tree line, it should be not a problem. Now obviously we're going to get rid of all these trees. One thing that I do have to get is get myself an auto load timber trailer. It would make life so much easier. Okay, and now Oh, this is going to be fun when my combine decides to come out this way. See how many times it falls into the water. Now, obviously, we're not going to plow our road. We're going to stick away from our road. Oh, that is close. I can see me asking for trouble there. So this will, we just need another field so we can keep, so I can keep busy as far as doing something all the time is concerned. What I'm going to plant here, I'm not quite sure, to be honest. But obviously, we're going to need some soybeans or something like that. Now, what are we doing as far as? Probably should have stuck to that, shouldn't have I? And at least that way, it gives me a straight line. Now, I have to have a look actually on how I'm doing as far as trees is concerned. So the last thing I want to do is ignore my needs for trees and find myself that I'm in a position where I'm just doing nothing. My production is just sitting idle, doing nothing. And that would be a shame, because as you remember from the last competition that I did, there used to be so many times where I would forget that, hey, I need to fill something up, and it would go all put water into my goodness me, I forgot the name of it right now. No, supply whatever production needed. Remember how many times I didn't put stones in my gold production and so on. And that doesn't help you when you're trying to win a competition, because I had months and months and months where I would completely forget that, hey, I need to fill my production, especially my gold production. But it's okay. No, we ended up winning quite a bit, so it's fine. That wasn't a smart thing to do. I missed that little bit, so now I'm going to have to fix it. This is where I wish I had, a plow that is like 50 meters. I do have some very unrealistic plows, and I do believe they're very well priced as well. But obviously I don't want to do that, because that would take away the competition. It is a competition. I am trying my best to make it as fair as possible. Some people are saying, some of you might say, yeah, well, you're using super strength and so on. I did make that clear from the beginning, because I was by myself. Well, I am by myself, and Daggerwin and ChainSaw are two. So because of that, I said that I would use that to make it fair on me, because I don't have help when I cut trees, or whenever I do. I do it by myself. So I don't have someone coming in and doing some of it for me or giving me a hand. That's one of the reasons why I said that I would use auto load and super strength. Anyway, get a bit of a time lapse going. Obviously, I'm going to have a lot of trees to carry around, so I'll get that all organized. Now, obviously, all the trees will go to our production. It's not productive for me to just sell the trees, obviously. And I'll get rid of all the other trees as well, and we'll take them to our production. That way we make a bit of money. Anyway, thank you very much for spending some of your time with me. You know, we've reached 400 subscribers, so another milestone. Thank you very much for your support. Have a wonderful day wherever you are around the world. God bless you and your family. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.